Hello friends, I hope you are doing great today. In this video, I will try to show you how to book Duckduckfix home repair services online. So let's go ahead. Just open a new tab and I'm going to type their websites. That's www.retouchreform.com. Hit enter. So now I'm on their websites. So I'll be going to the service tab in the menu, and now you can see the Duckduckfix. I'll choose Duckduckfix. Just click on that. There you go. So now we have different options here. As we can see, we have appliances repair, home cleaning and repair, television repair, computer repair, home repair, and you can also choose bike or car repair at Doorstep. Right, so this is their websites to you know to book home repair service, right? So how, just before going to book the service, we can have a look how the service works actually. So DuckDuckFix is a part of Retouch Reform Engineering Private Limited. So when you book a service on their websites, so that will take to the different service center, DuckDuckFix service center, and the nearest service center, from the nearest service center you'll get a call. They will give you a budgetary offer about the service you need. If you are okay with that, and they will go to your place to fix you know the device, and they'll fix it, and the system will generate the bill automatically, and then you can pay online, or you can choose to pay in hand also, right? So let's go ahead for now to book uh, some of the services. So I'm going to click on book a service. It will take me to the DuckDuckFix service page. So now we can see in the menu bar what are the services available with DuckDuckFix. So these are the home appliances repairing services. You can even have a 15 minutes free call to discuss your concern with the team. And you have AC repairing services, and you have other some hardware related services like air cooler, fridge or compressor, geyser, or induction stove and other things, washing machine, micro oven, and many more. Let's go to the top. Okay, so then you have the TB repairing services at your doorstep. You can choose any one of these. You have computer repair services, different types of service you can choose, and you have home cleaning and repairs. You can ask DuckDuckFix to send electrician or plumber or carpenter, or different cleaning options you have. You can choose their services, and then you have phone repair. So this is very handy. You can just go to their website and book a service. The DuckDuckFix engineers will reach to your home, and they will fix your mobile at your place. So this is very good. You can even choose doorstep vehicle repair services. They have bike repair and the servicing, and you can also choose four-wheeler repair services. Right, so these are all the services you can book. So for now, let's go and choose home appliances. We can choose any one of these. For instance, we are going to choose this AC repairing and services. So here we can see we have the read more button. We can see This is just for uh, I mean, this is just the assumption of the service will take to finish. So just ignore it, and you can see the payment option. You can pay in hand also. You can click on book now, or you can go to read more. Both will take you to the same page, but I'll click on read more. So let's click on read more. So it will take me to the detail page. So this is the service I need to book, and it says that this is a little bit of contact informations we have, and these are some booking policies, and now all I need to do is just I mean, I need to share my concern, so I need to book the service now. If I click the book now, it will take me to the schedule. So for example, we can say I need some services on the weekend, so I'll choose maybe Saturday 1. Okay, so now we have different time intervals, as we can see that 30 minutes difference between two slot, so we can choose any of this slot. Maybe we can say we need service at 12:30, so we choose it, and then we should say next. Okay, now we need all the informations, but it is better if you just go to the websites and log in, and then you come here and just place the service request. So for now we can say I can request something, say I can put a name, and then I can say, I mean, I can use my email. So I say this is my email, my name, and phone number. For now you can you can give any random number, and you need to give some address, so we can say something PC road or city. You can say I'm in Kolkata, and that is in West Bengal. And now in this section you can say that I need some AC related services, and it's very urgent sort of things. Yeah, or maybe you can mention your concern on this, and when you are fill up this form, and then you can say book the service. So once you click book, so now it says that the service is booked, and that will be on February 1, and then you have little bit of informations here, and you can directly add this this booking to your Google Calendar, right? So if you click this, and it will be added if you are already logged in into Google, so that will the schedule will be added to your calendar, right? So now you should have one email from Duckduckfix. So thank you very much for your time. Bye bye.